What's going on, guys? My name is Ty and my blog is thexkeen.com, and I'm hit you with another video on this gorgeous day. About to rain, but maybe rain a little bit earlier, but whatever. Having a good day so far. Everything's going lovely, and I'm here to answer a question. But I thought to myself, I looked on Google, there's nobody answering this question. How do you build an online business, or how you make money online without a YouTube channel or shooting YouTube videos? No one's answered this question because everybody's pushing YouTube, and as you know, some people don't like doing videos. So maybe you're someone who don't want to shoot videos, you're camera shy, you don't want to make videos, but you want to make money online. What are ways you can do that? My first way is start a blog. That'd be the number one thing, because you don't have to show your face, you don't have to record on video, you don't have to show your pictures of yourself. You just write content and let that rank. So having a blog is a pretty probably the number one thing. Number two is run ads on your blog. You could build a list for your blog, and the next thing is email list. You could build an email list with paid traffic, with a blog, getting traffic. You could do that as well. So the blog, YouTube channel, not YouTube channel, blog, email. You can also buy traffic. Okay, you can take a product, get traffic to it. You can build up a Pinterest account. You can do that in your free time to take photos of random stuff and upload it to Pinterest and build a Pinterest profile up. And that also helps make money online. You can sell courses online. You can do surveys online. You could do a gaming channel online, and with the gaming channel, you could do a gaming type of blog. But with the YouTube, you don't have to be on camera. There are plenty of YouTubers like game channels that don't show the person doing the games. It is somebody playing the Xbox or PlayStation and don't show their face. So if you're worried about showing your face, you can shoot videos without showing your face. If you go to a YouTube channel called The Wolf Pit, he does reviews of different food at the dollar store, and he reads the ingredients, he cooks the food, tries the food, and it's how it tastes. But he don't show his face. He don't show his face. All he shows is his hands, and that's it. He don't show his face. He talks about the product, he eats the product, he shows his hands and cutting it open, whatever, but he don't show his face. So you worry about showing your face, you don't have to show your face on YouTube. YouTube's a great place to have, a great asset to build on every single day with the blog, with a YouTube channel, but you don't have to show your face. But if you don't really want to be on YouTube at all, you don't have to, but YouTube is free. Blogging costs a little bit of money. It's about $3-4 a month. You gotta pay $80 for a year, which is cheap. But building a blog, email list, maybe you could build a course you could sell, doing surveys, and there's apps you can make cash back on for purchases. That's not really making money, but it's something. But YouTube is a great place to start. But you don't have to show your face on camera. You don't have to be behind the camera. You could hire a writer. You could hire a writer. You can't do that though. But you could hire somebody to do a YouTube video for you. If you write the script, if you have the product you're trying to promote, you can hire somebody for $5 to do a YouTube video for you, and it's yours. So you don't have to do it. And the softwares, I'm gonna link below the video on some softwares that you can make a video within like one click. You can make a video with the slides, so you're not really showing your face. You're just making slides with different cartoon characters. I will link below for a program that you can do slides, so you don't have to like make the video. You can have a software to make the video for you. So there's ways around having a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is very important. But if you don't want to, there's blogging. You can build a list. You could do Amazon FBA. You could create your own clothing line. You create your own branded. You create some T-shirts and sell it through your website, through different social media channels. You could build up social media channels. You could build up a Facebook page. You could build up a Pinterest page as well, and get thousands, hundreds of thousands of followers and thousands of views to your pins and make money that way, to build a list to your blogs. So there's a lot of ways to make money without a YouTube. YouTube is just a cherry on top, you should have a YouTube channel. And you don't have to, you know, blog all the time. You don't have to, sorry, not blog. You have to make videos of yourself personally. You get some softwares out there that you can do slides and you can upload to YouTube. So I'll have a link to that as well. If you want that program that can make slide videos for you without even showing your face, I'll link it below the video as well so you can see it for yourself. But that's it for my video. Do you have to have YouTube to make money? You don't, but you're going to need to build some assets. That's passive. Pinterest is passive. A blog is passive. An email list is not passive, but it's an asset. Those three things I will focus on. You can build an Instagram account, Instagram influencers. You can do that as well. The people make money on Instagram, but Instagram is photos, so you know you don't want to show your face on camera. I don't think you'll show your face on a picture, but you might do Instagram. Instagram, another place to make a lot of money from. So my name is Ty with xking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video. I'll see you next time.